Good morning! I'm celebrity chef Mariko and your eHow food expert. Today I'm going to show you how to make low-calorie, fluffy pancakes. To get started, you'll want a medium-sized mixing bowl. Then you'll want to add 1 1/4 cups of your favorite flour mixture. You can use whole wheat flour or rice flour or even your favorite whole grain or gluten-free baking mix. Then I'm going to add 1 1/3 cups of buttermilk. Then I'm going to add 1 egg. And if you want to make it even more low calorie, you could add 3 tablespoons of egg whites instead of your egg. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and if you want it even more low calorie, you could use your favorite low calorie, no calorie sweetener instead. I'm going to add a little pinch of salt and a little bit of vanilla extract. I love adding vanilla extract to my pancakes because it gives a lot of flavor without any added calories at all. Then I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. This is what's going to help give them a nice fluffy texture, but if you don't want to use oil, you could also use some applesauce or some mashed bananas instead. It's going to be about tablespoon for tablespoon from the oil to the different fruit that you can put in. Now I'm going to whisk everything together until smooth. The key to making nice and light and fluffy pancakes is to make sure to not overmix it. Right, now my pancake batter is ready to go on my pancake skillet. It has been heating at medium-high heat. So for each pancake, I'm going to want to use about a tablespoon of the pancake batter. These pancakes are going to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. This is Chef Mariko showing you how to make low-calorie, fluffy pancakes. Enjoy!